everyone, and welcome to Kitchen Solutions and More. And I hope all are doing good. The same with me. Wishing you a wonderful day ahead. Our next solution for today, a screwdriver. Yes, what's it doing in my kitchen? I'm not a carpenter nor a plumber. But yes, we do need a screwdriver in our kitchen because we have our pots and pans which have screws which are like a plus sign and like a minus sign. So if they always, with the heat, with the daily cooking, they tend to become loose. So this screwdriver has two ends, the plain one and this star type one. So according to the screw, you have to remove it, insert it and tighten up your screws of the pots and pans. So in this way, we can manage tightening up the screws ourselves. Hope you like this solution. If you like the solution, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kitchen Solution and More. Until we meet again with our next solution, thanks for watching. Stay well, stay safe. Bye-bye.